Every raindrop falls someday, little one.
But what if I break?
You won't break. You'll help the world grow. Falling is part of your journey. Still scary.
See?
See? They're brave, too.
What if I fall wrong? You'll float, not crash. Trust me. Okay, maybe I can. Hey!
3, 2, 2. Nope.
Too much, too much.
Oh, why?
I used to be scared of shining.
Really?
Really?
Courage grows after you leap.
Okay. I'll be brave. This feels amazing.
I'm part of the world.
That didn't hurt at all. I'm flowing. Being brave helps me grow. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more stories.